G'day, JP here again, and welcome back to MCS Zwift Racing Series. It's been a pretty eventful cycling week for me this week, the Easter long weekend. So I rode out to the Dandenongs and did the Super Crucifix ride. So the video's up, so if you'd like to check that out, it was a great day. A few people have commented that they saw me while I was out filming. If you see me out there, say g'day. The Super Crucifix was a pretty tough ride. It was a lot harder than I expected. I think I can feel some benefits from that effort. Felt a lot stronger on the bike after that. On Monday also we did the Punchy Climb. Video is up as well. Got the KOM on that one on the Kia Ora Parade. Check out that video. That was a tough one as well. That was on Easter Monday. Then on Tuesday and Wednesday I was back on the Gardeners Creek on the commute to work, and I felt really strong. Was pushing really hard every morning and every night, and so I felt pretty good there as well. Then it's been a Melbourne public holiday bonanza because we had Thursday, we had the Anzac Day public holiday, and I joined the boys and we went back out to the Tullamarine Airport, back riding out near the Melbourne Airport, up Arundel Road and of course Annandale Road, and I did a couple of low 140s up Annandale Road. No GoPro that day, but it's on Strava, so it did happen. I was pretty happy with that. Pretty hard cycling week for me, but it's been really rewarding hopefully. And then yesterday I had completely off. I think it's the first day I haven't ridden my bike in probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks. So yeah, I'm not tapering for Zwift or anything. Well, maybe I am, but I have had a good rest, so I'm ready for a big race today. So let's talk about the race, today's Zwift race. So today I'm doing the 12:55 3R series Volcano climb race. Yep, that might sound familiar, probably because you've seen me race on that course a couple of times. Now that has a couple of advantages for me because I can actually learn something from the course. So for those of you not familiar with the Volcano climb circuit, it's a 1 lap race, 20 kilometers with a climb up the volcano. The climb comes at about the 12k mark and finishes at about 15.8 k's. Yeah, I've done my research this week. I've been watching some of my own videos, trying to understand the circuit, and also trying to learn a little bit about where I made a lot of mistakes. I actually learned a lot. Watching some of my own race videos and seeing where I made a lot of mistakes got me thinking, regardless of whether or not you're making videos for your friends on YouTube, I highly recommend you record your races and watch them afterwards. You'll be able to pick up a lot of places where you make a lot of mistakes and where you need to improve. Just get some screen recording software and just record the race. So what I learned about the circuit, or what I reminded myself about this circuit, is at the 3k mark, we hit the dust and we hit the gravel, and people like to attack there. So that's what I've got to be awake, got to be attentive, try and be up the front, don't get caught out in no man's land. A couple of times I see if someone's bridging across, I'm half asleep, I should be jumping on that guy's wheel and letting him take me back up for free. Instead I end up having to burn a match and do all that work myself. So that's some of the things I learned. I also figured out exactly where the climb is. It's at about the 12k mark and it finishes at about 15.9 k's. So the race strategy, or the race plan, is stay up the front, stay out of trouble, keep my powder dry, don't burn any matches, make it through the dirt, get to the bottom of the climb, attack at the bottom of the climb, smash it all the way up, get the aero boost, and sail down to the finish line. That's the plan. Let's see how things actually pan out. Let's get on with the race. 40 seconds. 40 seconds to go. Looks like we've got 6 A graders at the moment. 6 A graders in the race. So I don't think, if anyone breaks away here, you've really got to get going. Anyway, got to focus here, got to just leave it all hang. Just got to go hard. Let's get this thing going. Alright, 10 seconds. Here we go. too much tactics. I'm just going to ride hard. Averaging over 300 watts, 320. That guy's going. See here, always here. That's better. That's it. Finally I'm awake. Far out. Look at this guy. He's chasing him down. Oh.
They're vanishing out of your mind like a ghost. Their memories out loud in my head, can't let you go. Say no more. The time and space.
Looks like it's a little group of about 4 or 5 riders, but they're all still there and they're all still attacking. There they go. Gotta get to them. That's it. The quicker you react, the less work there is to do. Now what's happening? This guy's not chasing. Man. Oh my God. Can't get to him. Fucking hell. This is brutal. It's just non-stop. Averaging 320 watts to here. Man, 4Ks before the climb starts.
Do you mind that you and I like black and white? No, I don't need no other colors in my life. Kiss me under all these starry flashing lights. All I hear is gray. All I hear is gray.
Getting pretty close to the start of the climb now. Recovered a little bit. Just means everyone's going to go really hard. 11.7, 11.8, that's the arch. Here we go. Holy crap. is hard work. Needs to stand up. Oh. I'm gonna have to pace myself. That guy's got the aero. Can't let him go. Oh. Averaging 350 watts up this climb. Still 2 Ks to go. Too hard. Just keep pace yourself. Don't blow up. See, the sweat goes on this thing and then shuts it down.
No right or wrong, you say. Just gray. Kiss me under all these starry flashing lights, baby. All I hear is gray. All I hear is gray.
I don't know how these guys do it. There's the top of the climb. Average 315 watts. Bloody hell. Feels like about 400. Heart's pretty low. Oh my god, 10%. Oh, can't pedal over. Aero, don't give me drafting, I've got no one. Aero. XP. What the hell am I going to do with that? It's a final kilometre. 20 what just ticked over 21.9 Ks. 900 metres to go. The rest of the guys are about 30-35 seconds. It was just under 30, but now they've obviously sprinted for the line and they're about 40 seconds ahead. They kept that gap all the way down the hill. Sometimes I brought it in to 20 seconds, but just not able to hang with them up the climb. We rode really hard to the bottom of the climb. But I don't know. Last time, I don't know, I'm averaged not even 300 watts, I don't think. Well, I recovered a lot on the climb. Let's check the nominal power. 22.6.7. Last 200 meters. Let's wind it up, maybe. Yeah, why not? Oh, I can't go anymore. Let's just try and hold this to the line. Oh. That's it. Oh my God. Average power 294 watts. That's actually not bad. Heart rate average 145. Very light heart rate. For that sort of effort, I thought my heart would be at least 160. Oh my God. Does everyone have heart rates? Looks like they've all got heart rate. There's a B grader up there, a C grader in third. Good luck. Good luck with that, mate. 5.8 watts. Shouldn't be in C grade. Some interesting numbers here. It's close to my best 20-minute power of 309 watts, but everything else is down. So it's always that explosive power that I seem to struggle. But I don't know, out on the road, I've got much more power than, I seem to have more power than this. I'm not trying to make excuses, but I did Devil's Elbows the other day. I averaged 320 watts, and that was about 18, 19 minutes. So let's have a look at our timeline. So this is obviously the climb here. Very good at the start, but just couldn't hold it. And then some boost spikes here and there. This was early on, 600 watts. You can see in the red there. You can see at the start where there's all the red and orange up to here, and then obviously I blew. And then there's a couple more bursts, and then it goes into the blue colours where I just obviously cruising down the hill. Bit of a push at the end. How many pizzas have I eaten? We're going for pizza for dinner tonight. 2 pieces of pizza. Wow. There you go. That's not too bad. We've detected an increase in your power, FTP. We have updated your profile. I'm now 295. Didn't feel like it. So here's the Zwift. The Zwift power is up already. There's me, Gianpaolo Basile. Gave me a 4th place in A grade. 32nd or 20, 30, I can't do maths anymore. 36 seconds down from the leaders, average 4.5 watts per kilo. It's pretty decent, but I just, nominal power 301. See, my nominal power is not that different from my average power, which means I'm just plodding along really. 20 minutes, 4.7, it's my best. Saw that, updated my FTP. 5-minute power, 5 watts per kilo, 1 minute power. That's where I've got to get better, that 5-minute power, that's the climb. If I can average 6 watts per kilo there, I reckon I can hang with those guys. That's where they really got me. And so on. It's not just the climb, it's the build up to the climb. So that's the Zwift power. So that's another race, another miserable race. I don't know. I'd be lying if I didn't say I wasn't disappointed. I'm disappointed. It's not with the result. It's just that I'm not. I don't know. Just mentally, I'm not in it. I'm not there. I'm not really unleashing. I feel like I'm trying to quit before I even start sometimes. I don't know. Maybe next time I'll change power meter. I think that might just make me eliminate that from my mind. I think this power meter is not as accurate as my other one. I mean, just to try something different. They're just pedals. I'll just swap the pedals over. But yeah, I'm a bit disappointed. I rode really well to the bottom of the climb. I was really happy there. I was awake. I didn't let anyone get away. I reacted quickly. Everything was really good. Everything that I said that I wanted to do, I did. once they got to the bottom of that hill, I just couldn't go. I just couldn't kick it up pace that they went. Last time I had that mechanical, I think I averaged 350 up that hill. This time I didn't even average 280. I mean, I gave up. I eased up towards the end, but the first K I was going pretty hard. I was going about 340, 350 average for the first K, and I just couldn't keep that up at all. Need to be able to do 400 watts. Need to be able to do 400 up that climb. Otherwise, you're just not going to be able to keep up with them. In the end, that's what they got me. They got me there about 20-30 seconds, and you know, there's no way down the hill I was going to catch them. They just maintained that gap. A couple of times they really eased up a lot. They were doing like 1 or 2 watts per kilo, and I got it down to 20 seconds. But that was just taking it easy for a bit, and once they pushed on the pedals again, they were gone. Just got to work harder. Just got to put in more work, and when you get on this trainer and you're going to do that race, you've really got to leave it all out there. Just not able to unleash. I don't know. Anyway, hope you're enjoying the videos, enjoying the racing. If you've got any tips for me, like don't bother. No, if you've got some other tips for me, comment below. There's a lot of other good videos. This week, as I mentioned, I got the KOM down at Kiowa Parade. Let's check out that video. Click here for my Super Crucifix. That was a great outing. I suggest you give that ride a go. And please do me a favour, click here to subscribe to the channel. It'll help me keep getting these videos out. Well, it's Dad's birthday today, and we're going out for pizza tonight. So get all this packed up and go and have some pizza, and hopefully not drink too much wine. Until next time, GoPro stop recording.